everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so in this video today is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now today I do have a guest, and it is Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. If you haven't been over to her channel, guys, you need to head on over there. Let her know that I sent you. She has a beautiful channel and great content, guys. Great inspiration. You will not be disappointed. So let's start out with what I have as a centerpiece. So we're gonna come on over here. So this boxwood ball here, this was a thrifted item. This tea light holder. Some of them were candles. They weren't at my store, but I went ahead and I put a tea light in there. I think it looks really nice, guys. It lights up. It looks pretty. Okay, so this was thrifted, and this came from the Dollar Tree. All of the candle holders came from the Dollar Tree, including the candles. And these leaves also came from there. And now they have this grain on them that I love. So we have those two. And then we have these two. Now, there is a theme for today, and it's called falling leaves. I didn't mention that before. And then we have this beautiful centerpiece apothecary jar. I have it filled with pine cones and just natural elements inside there. I am loving it. I like this candle holder as well. It's iridescent. I love it. This little bird here came from Dollar General, and this here, the boxwood, came from Walmart, and the vase was a DIY vase with that beautiful bow, guys. I love it. So there's my little Kirkland bird. And that candle came from the Dollar Tree as well. I think we need to come on over and look at the place setting. All right, we'll start over here with these beautiful home good flutes. Okay, I'm loving that. The water glass was thrifted. All right, now, usually I do on that side, but today I have to get used to on this side. So here we have the napkin. It's a neutral napkin, and I'm liking these colors, these moody colors. Now this tie came from the Dollar Tree. Now here we have this beautiful plate. It was thrifted, and it is a Robert Stanley. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Yep, so that's Hobby Lobby. But it was thrifted, guys, so that was a great price for that. I think it's at $2.99. All right, so here is my leaf dish. I absolutely love this dish. It's so beautiful. It's so heavy, though. I can't turn it around. That was a thrifted item. Now we have these chargers. These chargers came from Hobby Lobby as well. I love that shape. And then we have here this placemat, and this placemat also came from Hobby Lobby, guys. So let me build this back so I can show you the flatware. So there we have the charger, okay? Just beautiful. I love the touch of gold always. And here is the leaf of the cabbage. I think that's a cabbage. It's a leaf, guys. So that is the plate. And then this is the salad plate, which is beautiful. So this table setting came together it's just so gorgeous, guys. And then we have the utensils. These came from Aldi. They did come in 3 tones. I think it was black, and I forgot what the third color was. It wasn't silver. It was black, gold, maybe it was silver. Okay, so this is what the setting is looking like. I am loving it. That is beautiful. I am loving these colors, all of it. So, and I hope that you guys are as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave you to some music as we go over to the reveal. I do want to take a moment and thank Teresa from Lifestyle Designs with Teresa for joining me as a guest here on Tablescape Tuesdays. And I want to thank all of you for supporting, even if it's by watching. It's a great support, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.